So in this video, we're just going to show you how to install your motor. Now in this washer, we've already got it laying down in place to insert it. And this one just drops in, it's held by clips. Your motor may be a little bit different. It may mount differently, but the concept is basically the same. You're just going to introduce the motor to its mounting plate. We want to put our motor brackets in. So our top bracket, we're just going to lean our motor forward. We're going to take this T-section and insert it into the mounting plate just by dropping it into the slot and rotating it. And with that in place, we just lower our motor, tip it towards it, and it grabs it, and set the motor back down. So now we just need to take our other retainer for the other side. This will take a little bit more force, but just press it together till it snaps in. And then we'll want to put our 1/4-inch screws back in place to hold those clips from coming off if the machine vibrates or jumps. Now with the retainers put back in place and the screws that hold them, we're just going to insert our electrical harness onto the motor. So now we just need to install our pump back onto the motor. And we're just going to set it in place, looking to line up the flat spots on our pump to the flat spots on the motor. It drops into place nicely, and we just need to put our retainers back on. And that's how easy it is to install your motor.